Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from any time phase you are hearing me from. So I ordered a blender from a vendor. I never knew she was a Muslim, not a Christian or Isheshe. I never knew about it, but I just patronized her because I was in need of a blender. I went through TikTok and I saw her page, and I bought this blender for 150,000 naira, and I bought some other things which made it 160,000 naira, and I sent her money and sent the receipt. She saw it, then sent my package down to my location. I saved her number in case of if I need any other thing, and maybe I still use for any other items I can purchase from her. I even wanted to send her review of the blender, that the blender is actually good, blender is actually okay. Well, I was like, well, don't let me send it because I don't think it's needed. She gets. On yesterday, I was talking about issue on my WhatsApp. She saw my status. She was like, "So you're an idol worshiper?" I was like, "Point of correction. I'm not an idol worshiper, and I'm an Ifa priestess." Me ò ṣe oní idol worshiper. Ifa priestess ni mi. She was like, what's the difference between idol worshiper and Ifa priestess? Igi náà là ń bọ. I was like, ẹ má sọ pé igi ni mò ń bọ. Àfi wáyé pé igi lẹ́yìn ń bọ nílé yín. Allah ni kíní kan. Allah ni gbá started preaching. Láì ṣe Jehovah Witness, you are preaching to me. Pé nǹkan tèmi ṣe kò mọ̀. Nǹkan tèmi ṣe ló pèsè 160,000 naira. Tèmi fi fún ẹ ní owó tó fi ta blender fún mi o. Because owó yẹn, owó ẹbọ ni, owó Ifá ni, owó Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Òun mo ná fún ẹ. Why you not telling me pé I should go back to Islam? Islam is kìnìkan. Islam is igba. Muslim muskini. Ipe ẹ̀sìn tèmi ṣe kò lè mẹ́mi wọ̀ ọ̀run. Igba kan àwọn kan started saying things that she's not supposed to say to your customer. And I told her that, okay, I explained to her how my culture is, that this is the Yoruba culture, blah blah blah. I explained to her, but my explanation did not even touch her head though. She was still insisting, pé, and lying, gone. One I told her, okay, do you know what you will do, ma'am? I still have the carton of your blender. I used it just once. As about material, I used it once. Okay, you know what will happen? Let me send you your blender back. Then when I send it to you, I would like you to like refund me the money back, because owó Ifá ni, owó Ọ̀ṣun ni, owó gbogbo arúgbó ni, òun ni owó yẹn. They like kò fẹ́ sọ pé ó fẹ́ jẹbọ now because owó ẹbọ mo fún ẹ. Like the next thing she said, business is business. Bọ́n wo èmi kémi lọ fi blender kí fi lọ gún epo ọ̀bọ̀, àbí kí fi gún orí èèyàn, àbí kí fi gún ewé. I was like, kò possible. Mi lè fi gún nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ because rárá o. Mi lè fi gún nǹkan tí ẹlẹ́sìn kejì tó tà fún mi tó dẹ̀ ń bá mi jà sí. Mi lè fi gún. Better still kí n dá blender padà. Owó náà dẹ̀ fún mi lówó because owó yẹn sì òun ló máa tún fi dáná àwẹ̀ fún wa àtọkọ ẹ. Òun ló máa tún fi rajà sí orí igbá ẹ. Kò mọ̀ pé owó tí mo fún ẹ yẹn ó ti fi ra nǹkan sí orí igbá ẹ. Ifá ló dẹ̀ ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ nìyẹn. So now you come to my DM and start ranting nonsense out of your stupidity. You should be telling me shit. You are a business owner. Okay, now should we start saying that you business owners now in Nigeria, to be precise, you should start listing out, okay, are you what's your name? Your religion. Are you a Christian or you are a Muslim or you are an Ifa worshiper? So we should know that maybe we should start patronizing our religion and be our culture people. Because I don't understand. Kí Muslim patronize the Muslim, bí kí Christian patronize the Christian, kí oníṣẹ̀ṣe ma patronize oníṣẹ̀ṣe. Because I don't get. Èmi ò dẹ̀ wò pé bóyá Muslim ni ẹ o àbí Christian ni ẹ o, kémi tó sọ pé mo fẹ́ order nǹkan ní ọwọ́ ẹ. But èmi ń bẹ̀ o, tó bá dá owó mi padà. Because me, I'm ready to send you your blender. If you did not return my money, owó ẹbọ ni o. owó fani, owó rúmọlẹ̀ ni tó bá send ẹ̀ sí mi. If not, I will keep on dragging you online and I will tag your business name. If you do not send me my money and let me send you your blender, I will tag you and people will know you. People will know that you are a business owner who is discriminating other people's religion. And I even quote a Quran verse for her when Allah told you people not to discriminate other people's religion, so they will not disgrace you too. They will not disgrace your Allah. So ma koja yare dodo te. And I told you yesterday, even though the kind of person I am, I don't talk online, but you made me come online and set ring light. Me set a ring light. If you buy, if you boom, I will give you sọ̀rọ̀ online. So tó bá fẹ́ wàhálà rúmọlẹ̀, tó fẹ́ wàhálà ọ̀bàlú ayé nínú ayé ẹ̀, jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, send owó mi kí n fún ẹ ní blender ẹ̀ padà. Ṣìkìnà mi ò sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Tó bá fẹ́ wàhálà ni o. So thank you very much. Please let me repost. Help me repost. Please and please and please and please. If you are a Muslim, no, you cannot repost it. Don't repost it o. But ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe ẹ dákun nítorí Ọlọ́run, help me repost. Ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe dédé mọ̀ pé ẹ máa ń ta house Onisese, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Please let us know. Let us start making businesses too. We are making businesses, but let us improve more on our business. Being an Onisese, thank you very much.